I will have.
Ek sal hê.
English-Afrikaans future, have. Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Hey friend, today you and I will crack the future of have in Afrikaans. I will have.
Ek sal hê.
You will have.
Jy sal hê.
He will have.
Hy sal hê.
She will have.
Sy sal hê.
It will have.
Dit sal hê.
We will have.
Ons sal hê.
You, plural, will have.
Julle sal hê.
They will have.
Hulle sal hê.
Warning. Side effects include spontaneous confidence, you will have it, or should I say,
Jy sal hê.
dit. Your goal today. By the end, you can say every future form of have clearly and quickly. I will have.
Ek sal hê.
You, singular, will have.
Jy sal hê.
He will have.
Hy sal hê.
She will have.
Sy sal hê.
It will have.
Dit sal hê.
We will have.
Ons sal hê.
You, plural, will have.
Julle sal hê.
They will have.
Hulle sal hê.
Mini dialogues. Listen and repeat the key bits out loud, short, sweet, and useful. A. Can you help later? B. Yes, I will have time.
Ek sal hê.
TYD. A. Will he bring the keys? B. Tomorrow he will have them.
Hy sal hê.
Die sleutels. A. Is she ready? B. After the meeting she will have a plan, na die vergadering.
Sy sal hê.
In plan. A. Is the system complete? B. By noon it will have all the data, teen middag.
Dit sal hê.
Al die data. A. Can we start on Friday? B. We will have everything by then.
Ons sal hê.
Alice teen Dan. A. Team, tickets? B. You will have them at the door.
Julle sal hê.
Did by die dare. A. And the jerseys? B. They will have enough for everyone.
Hulle sal hê.
Genoeg vir almal. A. What about me? B. You, singular, will have a front row seat.
Jy sal hê.
En vorst sitplek. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap and echo the phrases to lock in the pattern. Me. I will have. You.
Ek sal hê.
Me. You, SG, will have. You.
Jy sal hê.
Me. He will have. You.
Hy sal hê.
Me. She will have. You.
Sy sal hê.
Me. It will have. You.
Dit sal hê.
Me. We will have. You.
Ons sal hê.
Me. You, place, will have. You.
Julle sal hê.
Me. They will have. You.
Hulle sal hê.
Speed round.
Ek sal hê. Jy sal hê. Hy sal hê. Sy sal hê. Dit sal hê. Ons sal hê. Julle sal hê. Hulle sal hê.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the solution. Q1. How do you say, we will have? A.
Ons sal hê.
Q2. Translate, he will have, into Afrikaans. A.
Hy sal hê.
Q3. Promise a friend, you, singular, will have time. A.
Jy sal hê.
TYD. Q4. Say, you, plural, will have tickets tomorrow. A.
Julle sal hê.
Karchies more. Q5. Translate, they will have everything. A.
Hulle sal hê.
Alice. Bonus, it will have enough power. A.
Dit sal hê.
Genoeg crag. Culture tip. Braai promises. Picture a weekend braai, smoke, laughter, and friendly planning. Before the fire is even lit, someone confidently says, "Relax, we will have enough wood and meat."
Ons sal hê.
Genoeg hout en vlees. The coach calls the team. Don't worry, you, plural, will have jerseys.
Julle sal hê.
Truey. And the manager smiles. By kickoff they will have water and ice, 10 AF Skop.
Hulle sal hê.
Water NYS. Meanwhile, you whisper to yourself, I will have a plate first.
Ek sal hê.
En boord eerste. That future, have, really fuels the vibe. Challenge time. Now you create quick lines with your own nouns. Say, I will have plus coffee.
Ek sal hê.
Coffee. Now swap the noun. Say, you, SG, will have plus time.
Jy sal hê.
TYD. Try money, energy, tickets. Say, he, she will have plus plan.
Hy sal hê.
In plan.
Sy sal hê.
In plan. Say, it will have plus data.
Dit sal hê.
Data. Say, we will have plus snacks.
Ons sal hê.
Puzzlehappies. Say, you, place, will have plus seats.
Julle sal hê.
Sitpleke. Say, they will have plus answers.
Hulle sal hê.
Antwoord. Goodbye and next steps. Great job, your future tense toolkit just got an upgrade. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines daily, mix in new nouns and you will have unstoppable fluency.
Jy sal hê.
Vordering. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges. See you next time.